Give me your ID, or I will place you under arrest.
That's all we need right there. Thank you. Under threat of arrest? You shouldn't have said that, sir. We're on the sidewalk.
Two men were told they were being detained for photographing license plates in public, then threatened with arrest when they would not identify themselves. Before the officer ever named a specific crime, under the Fourth Amendment, a Terry stop requires reasonable articulable suspicion of criminal activity, and the responding lieutenant repeatedly admitted he could not say whether the alleged offense was a misdemeanor or a felony. What happens next moves from a public sidewalk confrontation to a formal complaint filed inside the police department itself, all captured on camera.
760. I can barely hear you. I couldn't hear. Do you understand? He said he's just taking pictures of license plates and cars.
Oh, okay.
He said, is that okay?
I don't think, well, I mean, I guess.
Do you work here?
Yes.
You work here? Here. What is you guys' Wi-Fi password?
Do I now?
What is your Wi-Fi password?
I don't know. I don't have the password.
You don't have the password?
No.
Oh, okay.
What is that? That's a Toyota Tundra. I like that one. That's a newer year. Toyota Tundra, and that one.
I can't tell.
Plate?
Do you understand?
What you say?
Plate?
License plate?
Ah.
What for?
Sure.
He said for the boss.
Who's the boss?
The boss.
Who is the boss? Who you work for?
I can't really say. I just don't want to give out his information, man, if that's okay.
Yeah.
We wasn't going to go like enter on you guys' property.
Yeah.
He said we wasn't even going to be long, like a couple hours or so. Are you trying to help us?
Yeah, I mean, I can if you need some help.
Do you have a pen and a piece of paper?
I can get one. What you got?
If you can write down, I can't see what license, the plates that's on the cars behind the white truck.
You the one on the white truck?
No, behind it, the ones behind it.
Who you filming for?
Can you keep a secret?
Yeah.
You know Ray Ray?
I don't know Ray Ray.
You know Bubba? You want me to ask him that?
What's that?
I don't want to ask you
You
that.
can ask me, I don't care. What's that? Yeah, what's up?
Are you the manager here?
Yeah.
Would someone get a copy from you, or would they have to go like down to City Hall?
What?
Like the floor plan?
No, okay. I mean, I don't have the floor plan.
Would City Hall have a copy of that?
I don't know. Why do you need it?
Copy initial box name. He is. You the manager here?
Yeah, I run this deal.
Okay. He told me don't talk to you.
Okay.
You know, and I'm open to talk, but
Yeah, I don't care. I mean, you're not hurting me. No.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
don't get in front of my building.
yeah.
Football?
Yeah, football.
Good.
They good. They play today.
Oh, nigga.
Would you be able to get those behind the white truck though?
Got it? You bought it? Great job.
Hey, how y'all doing?
What's up?
Come talk to me real quick.
You say what?
Come talk to me real quick.
Come talk to you?
Yes, sir.
We're just walking.
That's fine. I just got a call that y'all were
Let's keep walking.
S29 show me scene at Car Quest with those two individuals.
Hey, let's keep walking.
So what's the issue?
You're not walking anywhere.
Huh?
So we're detained?
Yes, you are.
For what crime?
Because I got a call that the two of you were walking around.
I can barely hear you.
I always got a call that the two of you were walking around and y'all were recording license plates
From public?
over at the bank.
From public?
Okay, that's fine. What are y'all doing?
Just recording from public.
Okay.
But why are we
But
detained
y'all
though?
were also in Coldwater inside the bank.
We was
doing the
never
same
inside the
thing.
bank.
Damn,
The
you
sheriff
guys-
pulled
you
up.
guys
You know that.
information is
You know
wrong.
that. The sheriff pulled up.
Yeah.
You know we wasn't inside no bank. We never was on the bank. So let me ask you this. Let me ask you this.
That's 29 dispatch. Could you roll me another unit?
Let me ask you this, Officer Lowry.
Go ahead.
What rights do we have in this situation here that you're here to defend?
I'm just making sure that y'all aren't doing anything because y'all got people
That's
worried.
not how you approached me, though.
Yeah, man. You just said we detained, though.
Stopping me from my movement on a public sidewalk. For what? What gives you the right to stop me?
All right, so obviously you're going to be difficult. So,
We're not.
I said,
we said go ahead.
I said,
go ahead.
There's an active investigation going on right now because there were some people concerned about what y'all were doing.
Who?
So I am here to talk to the two of you to see what's going on, so I can let those people know. Oh, they're not up to anything illegal. They're not doing anything wrong.
You should tell
okay.
them. You should tell them.
So are you investigating a misdemeanor or a felony? What are you investigating? You just said you're investigating. Are you investigating a misdemeanor?
Well, it depends on what y'all would have been doing if it was a misdemeanor or a
But you
felony.
said we detained, so you got to be able to articulate a crime. You just said we're detained.
All right, I see what y'all doing. It's
Yeah.
all right.
Now I see what you're doing. You're trying to walk yourself down the wrong path here, bud.
Okay, bud.
Look at you. You're shaking.
F-29.
We're not even doing nothing.
Stop
Roll that
shaking.
unit, please.
You're shaking.
Look at this, man.
You
Walking.
stop me from my movement
Walking on the
public
sidewalk.
for
Yes, it is a public
because you're
sidewalk.
trying to make people feel better.
I'm trying to do my job.
No, your job is right
Okay,
now.
look, it's a government license plate. That's fine.
Anybody's
Why
license
do
plate
you
is
need-
public information.
Why do you need that information, though? Do you
Their
not
license
understand?
plate looks cool. Let me
Do
document
you
it.
not? No, okay, look, no license plate here looks cool. That's not a valid reason for you to.
Yeah.
That's not a valid reason for
Hopefully
you.
this
Alright,
is.
be quiet.
Hold on, this is supervisor. Hopefully this is supervisor.
Don't talk to my officer like that. I don't mind talking to y'all. I'll treat y'all with
You want me to
respect.
cuss at him, or how do you want me to
I
talk
want
to
you
him?
to not call him an idiot.
Okay, so you want me to call him like a worse word than that, or
No, how about just treat him with respect, and I'll treat you with
when you
respect.
stop somebody on the
They're trying to
sidewalk
violate
from
our rights, though.
walking,
It's kind of hard to
why
respect
would I talk to
somebody.
him with respect?
Because he deserves it.
Oh,
Just like you
deserves
deserve it
it.
as
So
well.
me
As
just meeting
people-
him for the first time ever, and he tells me to stop and don't go anywhere. He deserves it,
Yes, he has that right, sir.
baby.
When we get a
that-
phone call about people that are possibly walking in banks, videoing license plates in a parking lot.
What bank have you been in?
then
I haven't
we
been
have
inside of a bank.
Then we have, under law, the right to stop you and question you as part of our investigation.
Maybe you should
That's
get
all
your
around that. Both of you have an ID?
maybe you should get your information correct first.
It is
before-
correct.
So we've
You
been
wanna-
inside
you-
of a bank.
No, I said
I
we
have a
got a
Fourth Amendment
report
right,
that you've
sir.
been
You
inside.
got to
So-
do illegal
And that
searches and
report
seizures.
was
Yes.
This is not an
falsely
illegal search.
flagged.
or
And
seizure.
for ID.
What bank?
Therefore,
What
I
bank?
need your
Until you
ID.
talk to
And
me
for
like
ID,
this,
sir. Hold on, let your supervisor. He's going to tell you, sir.
What bank?
He's
Here's
not
the
going
deal.
to say
What
anything.
bank?
Here's the deal.
Both of you.
I need your ID.
What bank?
Look at that.
I need your
Give me
ID.
Can you answer that? What bank?
I need your ID,
For what?
sir.
You need
I'm
to
now
give
going
your
to tell
ID
you.
now,
Give me
or you
your
will
ID,
go.
or I will place you under arrest.
Oh, that's all we
I'll
need
get
right
it,
there.
I'll get it
Thank
from
you.
you.
Thank you.
Under
I would
threat of
gladly-
arrest?
I
You
would
shouldn't have
gladly
said that,
give-
sir. We on the
you just fucked
sidewalk.
up, bro.
We on the sidewalk.
You just fucked up.
If you
Just
say,
do.
if you tell me, you told him.
Just do.
I will place you under arrest if you don't give me your ID as well.
Okay, and are you aware that's a Fourth Amendment
I'm aware
constitutional
that you don't know
violation?
the Fourth Amendment.
That is.
No, you do not.
What's the Fourth
Give me-
Amendment,
give me
officer?
give me your deal.
Okay.
Alexander Jackson.
Can you say that for me, sir, for me, please?
Give the ID.
To who?
hey,
give
to
the
who? To
ID.
you?
I'm going to ask you
No,
to
he
give me the
said,
ID.
he said it together.
He didn't. I thought he was talking about to you, though.
No, I said both
of us. Yeah.
Give me your ID,
good.
or I will arrest you.
Okay.
Either way.
Okay.
So what is that ID
That's
going
twice
to
he
do for you?
said that.
That's I didn't hear it. My
That's
bad.
okay.
I thought he was talking to him.
No, that's good.
What is that ID going to do for you?
It's going to let me figure out who you
It's
are.
going to
in
let
my
you know if I've
investigation.
been inside of a bank or
Nope.
not.
It's
That's
going to
no,
identify you
no.
as far as
You're
if
the lieutenant?
Yes.
Last time I
You're
checked.
one of the dumbest lieutenants I've
Yes.
ever met.
I
It's okay.
appreciate that.
And
Thank
that's
you,
your
sir.
First Amendment right to feel that way.
And
Give me one of those.
it's not your First Amendment right to be talking to the public with that bullshit in your mouth.
I'm shocked.
Okay.
I'm really just shocked, sir. Especially with you. It's okay with him, but you just supposed to be a little bit more knowledgeable, sir.
I am more
It's
knowledgeable.
not okay with him.
I
He
can
has a
tell you
badge.
that. About,
No,
I can
no,
tell you
but
that in the state of
he's
Mississippi during an
experienced.
investigation, I have a right to ask for your
Are
ID.
you investigating a misdemeanor or a
It
felony?
don't matter what I'm investigating as long as I'm
You
investigating.
need a crime, sir.
You're investigating a bird
It
pooping on
don't
the
matter.
sidewalk.
A
You gotta
misdemeanor and a
identify that
felony are
bird.
both a crime,
You know,
so you don't know what you're talking about.
you need
as
reason-
long as I'm investigating a
Reasonable,
call.
articulable
It's okay.
suspicion of a crime.
And I got that. I can articulate my suspicion
Articulate
all
it.
day
For
long.
what crime? Of a crime.
We had a call
We had
of
a call.
two
Crime.
individuals
We had a call.
that matched the description of the clothes
Yes,
you're
sir.
wearing
Yes, sir.
about you being in a bank
We wasn't in
and
no
of
bank.
possibly being
Who
out in a
gave
parking
you
lot.
that
I don't
call?
have to tell
That's
you that.
false.
I don't have
So
to tell you that.
so you don't believe in false police reports.
That was
I do
false.
believe in false police reports.
So
How
let's
am I-
go. Let's go.
How do I know it's false until I talk to y'all? That's the
should've went
point
to
I'm
the-
trying
you
to
should've
tell
went to
you.
the caller
You don't
first.
stop me on a public
I don't do
sidewalk.
that because then that gives you
He's a
time to get
tyrant.
away. I
He's
do
a
that
tyrant.
because I
He's a
talk to
tyrant.
you.
We're not trying to get away, sir. We're not
Okay,
doing
then
nothing.
I don't know why your issues are.
It's not an issue.
what we're gonna do,
The issue,
we're gonna ID you.
The issue came when he
We're good. It won't come back.
All right, cool. You got a real ID?
Who?
You.
It is a real ID.
Then why does it
Well,
say
it might
Missouri?
be- It might be because
Oh, you talking about for the airport
Yeah,
though,
it might be
man?
because they don't
You
have the airport
Why
staff.
you
They're dumb.
you
They're dumb.
pushing
They're
it?
dumb. They're dumb.
These are some of the basic calls that you can get, and you escalated
fucked
to
up.
something
That's not
else.
only-
Because
You
he don't have-
escalated though,
he's
man.
already got it set up. He just hadn't re-entered.
But I'm just saying.
He just
I'm just
hasn't.
saying escalated.
Does that hurt you
He
when
hasn't
somebody
gotten
talks
a
bad about
stamp
another officer?
on that guy.
Does that get to you?
These are the
Yeah,
simple
because I don't
calls.
like
It
people.
gets
I don't
you.
like people talking about my
So I could
officers.
call him an asshole, and you get more upset than he does.
Oh, you're more than welcome to call him an
I
asshole.
can call
It's
him
a
whatever the
Fourth
fuck I
Amendment
want to.
constitutional
Yeah,
violation
sure
what
can.
you just did. It's,
Okay.
Why don't you talk to us with
it's
respect?
not
I
okay,
am,
You
sir.
bro.
already violated our
I
rights,
haven't
man.
disrespected y'all.
You
Wait,
violated
back.
our right, our
did,
Fourth Amendment
you did.
right.
That's a
Okay.
fourth.
I know. You got my identification.
You probably need to go read.
It's too late for
on the
that.
Fourth
He
Amendment
said
right.
we
He
need
talked
to
about
read.
me shaking.
But that's how you
He
should.
said
That's how
you
you
need to
should have
read.
started.
You over here
though.
like this.
You know what we doing. You know who we are, brother.
You suck,
and you
dude.
still pulled up and you
We
escalated it.
don't know who you are. That's why we had to ID.
So look what he just said. He knows. You probably don't know, sir, but he knows.
Yeah, we're still in the middle of investigating.
It's okay.
Oh, that's not you.
You're valid, bro. See, they checked us on David, NCIC, SCIC, all that shit, because we don't know.
No,
I don't know anything about the police world.
There's no such thing as FCIC.
So,
He said there's no such thing as
Lieutenant.
we use NCIC.
So what rights do we have on this sidewalk that you're here to defend? Because we only been on the sidewalk.
you have a, once you check out,
We don't
and
have
we know that you don't
that's
have
where
it.
the
That he's valid.
that's where the violation started, brother.
That's not a
those are-
violation.
That
Fourth
is. That's a
Amendment.
it's okay.
You keep saying
Do
that.
you know the Fourth Amendment?
He doesn't.
Yeah, I do.
What
he
is it?
don't. He can't quote it.
You obviously
Wait,
know.
wait, here we go. He's
He
gonna
can't
tell us
quote
to do
it.
it. Say it. Watch.
He can't quote
What's
it.
the Fourth
Do you know
Amendment?
how long the Fourth Amendment falls between case law?
Man, it's not
What
long.
is the
It
easiest
is
part of the Fourth
extremely long.
Amendment?
Case law, there are hundreds of case laws at the U.S.
okay.
area and at the state level.
Hey, they don't know.
Hundreds of case
I know
laws.
he
They
don't
don't
know.
know.
He can't quote
We're
the Fourth
getting a
Amendment.
trail coming down. We're getting a trail of these dumb officers not understanding the Fourth
Just
Amendment.
basic rights, man. It's simple. Guys recording in public. You should have educated them instead of
okay.
masturbating. Instead of
He doesn't
masturbating.
know who called,
It's
so
okay.
he can't educate
It's
you.
okay.
That,
to
that
record
was
in
that was
public.
simple. That's all we
But
doing.
when you are getting the deal that you're having to record
Sir,
inside a bank or you're recording license plates,
We can do
that's
that.
suspicious
Still legal.
activity.
For what?
I can
But
articulate.
for what crime? What is suspicious about? We can't do nothing.
That is very suspicious to the average
To what
reasonable
crime?
person. To the average
But to what
reasonable
crime?
person.
But what crime though?
To the
What can
average
we do?
reasonable person.
But that's where you come. You. But listen, hey sir. But you're right. I agree with you. That may. But that's where you come into play to educate them. It's okay, man. But what you just
How do
did.
you know I'm not going over there next?
But what you just did
How do you know I'm
was.
not going over there
Like
next?
I said,
But what you just did just violate our Fourth Amendment constitutional right. Can I get y'all business cards, please, before we
Open
10-8?
yourself up
I don't have any business card. I'll give you my name.
Please, and the CFS, please,
You
sir.
want to know how many we have on YouTube?
My name? I'm Lieutenant Howard.
I need his. Can I get both of y'all's on a piece of paper and the
No,
CFS?
I'll tell it to you. You're recording. You can be able to get it from there.
Okay, I'm just trying.
Yeah,
I
I'm just-
see.
They're
I'm
not
just
reasonable.
required to get-
I
They're
see.
not reasonable.
I'm just required to give you my name
Okay,
and
can
my
I get
badge
can I
number.
get the CFS as well, please?
I'm required to give you my name and my badge number, and that's what I'll give you.
Where's your weapon?
Can I get the
I
CFS?
don't have it right
Oh,
now.
okay.
Can
I
I
was
get-
just wondering. That looks
Can I get the
a little off.
CFS though, sir, please? Can you radio over for the CFS, the CAD,
Who are
please?
you?
No, you're not getting that.
Okay.
You're allowed to get my name, my badge number. That's what you're getting.
Okay.
So my name is Lieutenant Howell. My badge number
Let's-
is 1103.
Let's.
This is Officer Lowry.
So what?
And
So
what
what
about
else
this
information
officer?
you? He just told you that's
No,
Detective
no, the
Perret.
other guy.
Right here. I just told you, Detective Perret.
So you got word that we were inside of a bank.
We got a call.
From.
It gotta be
It
them.
don't matter
It
who
gotta
it
be
is.
them. It gotta be
No,
them.
it don't.
Yes.
It don't matter who it's
It's
So how do
okay.
you know
Then, hey,
about?
if it's public information, then guess what? Go file you
Oh,
a public records
I
report.
will. I'm going to
Up
get
here
all
at the
of
PD,
it, everything about
they
it.
will be more than happy to give you the public records report.
Uh-huh.
They'll give you the call.
Uh-huh.
They'll give you the CAD notes.
Yeah.
They'll give you the body cam
Because if
and
the
all of
second
that
that
stuff. You're
call
more than
says
welcome to it.
these individuals are outside recording, you're fucked. You're fucked.
You
If
know-
it doesn't say anything about us being inside of that bank, you're fucked. You're fucked.
Well, you know, I'm glad that you studied law, and
yeah.
I wish you would put it to better use than what you're doing now.
This is the
This
best
is
thing I
basic.
can do.
This is
I served
basic.
my
This
country
is
already.
basic.
What else can I be doing that's better?
How'd you serve your country?
I swore an oath to the United States Constitution, and I got a uniform. And
What kind of uniform?
I'm not going to tell you guys.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, but
Just
you
know
want to
I
know
swore
everything
an oath
about
to the-
me.
Oh, no,
Because you're
I
public.
will know
You're
everything about
public.
You
You're
will?
public.
Yes.
Okay.
It's just you public.
What would
sir.
you like to know?
Oh, I'll get it.
Okay.
All the
I mean,
things
so
you
you
don't-
gonna 10-8
you don't
now?
like to tell the
Are you
public.
gonna come by and eat dinner with me?
Shit, you offering me?
Yeah, man.
Hey,
Anybody's welcome to my house to eat
We gonna
dinner.
tell
I
you,
do.
man.
Your wife.
I do.
You do?
Are we going to
Yeah,
10,
I mean, it depends
8?
what you make.
Yeah.
This is just
And we
extra,
can sit
man.
down and have a
Y'all-
reasonable
10-8.
conversation.
You know what
I'm okay
10-8
with
mean?
We do plain talk. We don't do that.
We don't
Yeah, you
use
do.
10 codes.
You know what 10-8 is.
We don't use
But
10
you know what it
What
is,
would you have done
though.
if I
We
would
don't
have
use
kept
10
walking?
codes.
I'm just saying, are we gonna
What
like
would you have done
y'all
if I
check this
kept
out?
walking on the sidewalk and I didn't stop
Well, it
and
was an
talk to
active
you?
investigation. If you were still walking on the sidewalk and you,
Yeah, that's what I'm telling them. That's what I'm telling them. Can we just 10-8? Y'all
You
check
guys-
this
you guys-
out.
Oh, they
Hey,
can.
We here conducting the First Amendment protected activity. It's
The
protected. They
investigation
want
is
to
not
stay.
over yet.
Y'all
It is
agree
not
to
over.
go.
It
You
is
need
over.
to know what happened.
I don't care
Who
what
said
you need to know.
But you stopped me from my everyday rights I have as a citizen of this United States.
He don't even
of
understand it.
Speak to y'all for 2 seconds.
Yeah, you
Y'all can
good. You
keep
good.
recording.
I like you're a detective.
You
You're
was
not
to
at
me?
that level yet.
Go
Yeah,
ahead.
if you don't mind.
Go ahead.
All right. So,
He just violated our Fourth Amendment constitutional right, though, sir. Go ahead.
give me just a second.
Go ahead, sir.
All right. Y'all are allowed to video, do whatever you
Thank
want
you, sir.
out in public.
That's all we was
what we
doing.
We had a call that someone was recording in a private establishment. Okay? That's why we are here.
Or V.
In. That's why we have to do our due diligence, okay?
Why wouldn't you go there
And that's just alleged. That say so. He did, man. He threatened us
Are y'all
under
gonna-
arrest.
Because there are
No, go
three-
ahead.
listen,
Let-
there are
go
three
ahead, 'cause he's
officers
been
here,
reasonable.
right?
Go ahead.
3 officers are here. Not one of you guys have gone down there and asked if we were inside the establishment.
We have to go off of what dispatch gives us.
That's how people get shot and killed, bro. That's how people.
They went off say so. Y'all went off say so.
It's wrong. It's the
And
wrong
what's just the only thing that's sad about this is cops always say this is what they want. They want to get arrested. That ain't what we want. I even pulled out the Constitution to give you a hint. Y'all know exactly what we doing. He said, "What's your YouTube
We
channel?"
don't want you to get arrested.
Man, come on, man. You just said you'll arrest me
I
for
said
nothing.
I will
Just because
if you did not give me ID so I
Yes,
can continue my
that's
investigation.
a violation, though.
It is not.
And you're not even
in
aware.
the state of Mississippi,
You're not
I
even
am
aware.
allowed to
It's
ID you
okay.
during an
We on
investigation.
foot.
You can be on
It's
foot.
okay,
It's
sir.
fine.
Was you investigating a misdemeanor or a felony?
It don't matter. It's any investigation under the
But
state
what
of
was you
Mississippi law.
investigating? A misdemeanor or a
I don't
felony?
know, because in
It
order
was
to
neither.
investigate it, I can't
Sir,
tell.
it was nothing.
You have to do an investigation to tell if a crime committed, and then if the crime's committed, depending on what the crime is when you figure
To
out if it's a
detain somebody,
misdemeanor.
you got to
or it's
articulate a
arrest.
crime. To
No,
detain
you have to
someone.
articulate
A crime.
reasonable suspicion.
Of a crime.
No, reasonable suspicion.
That's what you
When
think
you
I'm?
detain, that's when legality starts. That's because you're stopping me from walking.
And all I'm saying, like all this is extra. Y'all don't, y'all don't have to be here. Y'all we gonna 10-8.
We've already told you y'all could go.
We
Y'all
waiting on
can
you
go.
guys to leave, though.
So
We just waiting on you guys to leave.
That's what we do. We don't just go about our we follow through.
Well, then follow through. However you
Yeah,
see
y'all are
fit.
free to go.
You
for
but you
investigation.
got our IDs though. That's where the big
It's a violation.
Because we have a right to do so.
No,
you
sir.
don't.
Yes.
It's a violation.
And you
It's
guys,
okay.
I'm waiting for you guys
He's-
to drive over there.
He's gonna learn. They're gonna learn.
You will learn. Good luck. See ya, Larry. No, take that dip out your mouth, boy.
This is Cinetopia.
Hey, I got my light on. Hey, this is illegal as hell. Look at this.
Thank y'all. Y'all have a good evening.
Sad case, man.
Look at this window tint. You know this is illegal. You can't drive around.
Hey, I appreciate you for at least just being reasonable. Your de-escalate.
Just be careful
Your-
being in the road.
We need to be careful on the law enforcement, man.
You guys are the dangerous ones.
They didn't pour me. Hey, let me ask you something real quick. We're honest to God. On the
Yeah, do me a favor, Stan.
on the what is the law on temp tags here in Mississippi?
Temp tag?
Yes.
Out of state. Out of state.
Out of
I
state.
mean, we don't observe temp tags as being a tag.
So that's considered as no tag.
Especially
Even if you just bought your car.
We pull you over, you show us proof that you just bought the car, we go on about our day.
Something different just happened to us. But it's okay. You'll see that too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, y'all be careful. Have a good day.
Yeah, we more gotta
Try to
work.
stay out of the road.
We never was in the road,
Okay?
man.
Wait, I mean, you have a car. You need to appease the car. Hey,
We gonna be down there, Ness. We going down there.
What you make for dinner?
All right, now Kansas City. Look at this. Told you we should have stayed, Brody. What's good, Kansas City? Right back ain't cheating. So today we at the Cinetopia Police Department. Got to do probably do some open records, file a couple complaints. Yes. How you doing? Y'all just got a police call about 2 guys recording. I was trying to get the CFS number. The 2 officers that arrived on the scene, it was actually 3. And then I would need a complaint form.
Right down the wall right there.
Oh, I appreciate it.
Both of you grab
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. They got the complaints right on the wall here. And we still need the,
Could I be able to get a pen, please? I'm sure he would. And
That's crazy. I gotta show this. Look at this, guys.
hold on, hats,
Wait.
no hoodies, no glasses.
Hold on.
Mm-mm-mm.
Here we go.
This is my complaint. I'm turning it in. Would I be able to get a copy and I get up out of here? And there goes my public records request. I put this back. I appreciate you for your patience.
Surprised Hal didn't want to come out and talk to you.
He's right there.
No, he's over here watching security cameras. He can't touch this paperwork.
Oh, he's gonna touch it. He's most definitely gonna touch it.
And these are all the copies.
Okay, and I'll take one of each, and then I appreciate you again for. Yes, ma'am. All right. Happy New Year. You have a good day. Yes.
The Fourth Amendment prohibits seizures absent reasonable articulable suspicion of a specific crime, and the lieutenant's own statement that whether the investigation involved a misdemeanor or a felony don't matter demonstrates that no such suspicion was ever articulated before the detention began. The officer failed to corroborate the underlying tip through independent verification, such as confirming with bank personnel whether the two men had entered the premises, before extending the stop and demanding identification under threat of arrest, understanding that a lawful Terry stop requires specific, articulable facts tied to an identified offense, not merely an unverified complaint, is essential knowledge for any citizen approached by law enforcement while engaged in public recording.